Hi friends, this is your lesson 35 exit ticket. So just like we did yesterday, you are going to fill in the missing part for these for these number sentences. Okay, now friends, this is a little bit different from yesterday because you will see they didn't try to mix you up and put the equal sign first. So these are the number sentences that you should be used to. So I want you to look at this and figure out, what are they asking of me? Okay, now there is a trick for today, and it says doubles helped me solve. So friends, remember what a double is. It means when the number is the same, okay? So you'll notice that there maybe are some doubles in one of these number sentences, but pay attention to what your whole is and then what they're wanting you to take away to get that other part. All right, friends, use your whiteboard marker and eraser if you need to while you're doing this, but this is your exit ticket, so when you're done with it, put it back on the back table.